I bought an used workstation for €50, which was very cheap. It's an HP Z420 and it will be my new streaming station. So far for streams I've been using a Dell T5500. I'm using this decades-old technology because I need a workstation with literally a dozen USB ports, stable power supply and ECC correction memory. It's still only PCIe 3, SATA 6, but with an efficient Xeon processor, it operates many devices with no effort. And all that for a piece of a dime. And it's lighter by 3 kilograms, which is good on a job. The old Dell from now on will serve as a 4 terabyte storage.